Ask yourself, how am I going to make my month of Ramadan one of productivity and hard work? What's my project for the hereafter that will start with Ramadan, and my work in this project that will end with my death? There will come a time when your income of good deeds will also come to a halt. Death is our redundancy, and you and I have been put on notice as well. How do you feel about that? Do you feel the same level of urgency to identify, to find a stream of good deeds today that will continue flowing to you after your death? What's your project for tomorrow? What's the plan for the hereafter? There are so many Muslims, dear brothers and sisters, who now that they have died and are 6 feet under, they wish with all their heart that someone who is still alive would dig a well in their name, or build an orphanage in their name, or do anything to benefit them now that they are in the world of the underground. They can't do it themselves anymore. Don't be like this person who waits for other people to build his hereafter for him. Let us build our own. From this very Ramadan, in the lives of so many people, the ending of their lives also marks the ending of their good deeds. But for other people, subhanAllah, their dying does not limit them in any way whatsoever. Good deeds are still being gifted to them even when they have died. Imam Ibn al-Qayyim explains this in beautiful words. He says, what a mighty and honorable rank it is, which is when a person who perhaps is busy with a worldly doing of some sort, or maybe he has even died and has decomposed within his grave, but nevertheless, his scrolls of good deeds are continually being added to, as actions of goodness are gifted to him from places where he least expects. Don't allow death to meet you without a clearly identifiable strategy for your hereafter.